So check it out. A couple of weeks ago, or actually a month ago, I won an auction on eBay that included 6 handcars. And the guy emailed me, the seller, and said, I'm not going to send you 6, I'm going to send you 8. So I was able to get all 8 of them running, including this one. And this one didn't have any of the pegs broken off, so the shell is mint and it runs really good. So the only problem was the handle was broken. So today I found a hand car at the Williamsport train show, and the handle was good, and except it had 2 broken pieces on the front. The guys are all there, and they're in good shape. So I carefully removed the handle and put it on this one, and so now I have a mint red one. These red ones are a little bit harder to find than the brown ones. Even harder to find are the ones that have the yellow guys with them. But I kind of like these guys better anyway. So anyway, I thought we'd take it for a spin. I got it running pretty good. The motor has new brushes in it, so it runs really well. And the gears are in pretty good shape too. And I polished the wheels and polished the wiper pickups, so this one has the dual wiper pickups on it. These are always kind of fun when you can get them running good. I've been able to get these running pretty good, so I've fixed quite a few of them. Some of them I put Lionel figures on, but this one's all original Marx. So I'm happy to have, this is the second red one I've been able to make a mint one out of. Kind of pick the camera up this time around. All I can hear is the blazing saddles. Oh, the Camptown ladies, sing this song, doo-dah. Saw a meme on Facebook the other day. I was thinking as a kid that quicksand was always going to be a bigger problem than what it really was. And can't say I've ever actually seen it in my 62 years, but certainly showed up in just about every movie and back in the late 60s, early 70s. So these are really fun to get going and fun to collect. Hard to find them with something unbroken, so I'm glad to have this one in mint shape now. So, and I paid $15 for the one that I found today, and it even came with the original box. You see, even at slow operation, it runs really good. So again, thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord, and have a Merry Christmas.